All right, today we are going to learn about the second neuter declension. Okay, and so remember that first declension was mostly feminine, second masculine. Those nouns have to be masculine. Okay, and so second neuter is what's next. Okay, and neuter is not what they did to your puppy or your kitten. It is actually a Latin adjective that means neither. So literally it is neither masculine nor feminine. Okay? Our second neuters in the nominative singular end in and then that genitive singular is I, and I left the macron out, so let's make sure that we add it. So it'll be and e. Okay? And our example noun for the notes today, just one, is bellum. Okay? Bellum, belly, it does mean war. Okay? It's where we get our word belligerent. Okay? Someone who's always arguing maybe or always angry. Bellicose also means kind of warlike. And angry. So those are some fancy words that maybe you could use for the SAT or writing or whatever. Okay, so let's scroll down to our second neuters, again through first, through second masculine, and real quick, okay, we're going to have second masculine versus second neuter here. Okay, and what you need to know is there are some similarities. Okay, and I may have spelled similarities incorrectly. There are some similarities. There are some differences. Okay, and you've actually already seen one of them when I showed you up here that is our nominative singular ending, whereas second masculine has us or r. Okay, so let's get moving. Scroll, scroll, scroll. Here we go. Okay, so we're going to have for our nominative singular. We're going to have e for our genitive singular. Now, let me tell you, the rest of the singular is exactly like the second masculine. Okay, so we're going to have o, o. Okay, the plural is where we have some differences. Okay, so the nominative plural for second neuter is going to be a. Okay, I want you to think about it. Where have we seen a's before? Okay, hopefully you're saying first declension. Okay, so let's just say now, watch out for a endings. Okay, you need to make sure that if you're going to tell me that it's a first declension noun, for example, because it ends in an A, you could be wrong. Okay, so we got to make sure that we know what declension that noun belongs to. Okay, genitive plural is going to be aurum. Dative plural is going to be is. Now, I want you to pay attention. Okay, in neuters. Okay, and this is any neuter noun. And if you've gone through the notes already, you know we've got 2 more sets of neuters coming up. Okay, but neuter nouns do have something special, if you will, about them, and that is whatever they end in the nominative singular, that's what they will be in accusative singular. Okay, and then over in the plurals, whatever it is in nominative plural, that's what it's going to be in accusative plural. Okay, so that does make it nice, and our ablative plurals are going to be is. Okay, so let's go and make the forms. Okay, so remember, nominative singular, genitive singular. Okay, so we're going to put bellum right here, and we're just going to say, I'm going to say a war. Okay, I'm going to take belly, which is kind of fun to say, and this is going to be of a war. Okay, and again, we're going to drop this I with a macron, and we're going to have bell as our stem. And I'm just going to do like I've done the last 2 times that we've taken notes. I'm going to go put my stem in. Okay, I'm going to put my stem in so that I can't mess it up. Okay, because that's kind of sad if I'm messing it up. Let's go with this color. Why not? Okay, so I'm going to, for dative singular, I'm going to have bellow, and this is going to be 2 or 4 a war. For accusative singular, I'm going back to bellum, and this is just going to be a war. For ablative singular, I'm going to have bellow, and this is going to be by or with a war. Okay, over to the plurals now. For nominative plural, we're going to have bella, and this is going to be the wars. Actually, we don't even need the, I think we could just say wars. Okay, well, that messed up, didn't it? Slick move, McConaughey. Here we go. All right, that was the color. All right, so then we're going to have for genitive plural bellorum, and this is going to be of wars. For dative plural, we're going to have bellis, and this is going to be 2 or 4 wars. For accusative plural, we're going to have bella, and this is just going to be wars. And then ablative plural is going to be bellis, and this is going to be by or with wars. Okay, so that is the second neuter. We're going to spend time over the next couple of class periods making sure that we know how to tell declensions. Okay, that'll be one of our many assignments over the coming days. I hope you're having a great day. As always, this is my email address. Okay, send me an email if you have an issue. I hope you're doing well. Have a great day.